Today, guys, I welcome you to this episode of this training. My name is Abanom Elijah, the CEO of Gracious Concept. I welcome you to this episode of this training. In today's class, I'm going to show you how to get a domain name and hosting. And I'm going to explain what a domain means, what an hosting means. I'm going to explain some things that you need to know about a website. Yes, about a website. Let's get started. Now, the first thing I want you to know in this training, if you want to have a domain name or if you want to build your website, the first thing you need to know the first thing that I want you to know is that if you want to build a website, if you want to own a website, or you want to get a domain name and hosting, the first thing I want you to know is that get a brand and business name based on the type of the business you have or the business you want to get. Make sure you get a brand name, because before you can get an hosting and a domain, you need a unique name for your brand. The first thing you need to know is to get a brand or business name based on the type of business you have. The second thing is the availability of that brand name, the availability of the name you guess. Make sure you search for the availability of that name you guess. Don't worry, as we go on with this training, you're going to understand what I mean by this availability. The next thing I need to tell you what a website means. A website is a collection of publicly accessible interlinked web pages that share a single domain name. Website can be created and maintained by an individual, group, business, or organization to serve a variety of purposes. So with this short definition, I hope you should understand what a website means. Now let's move to the next point. The next point is, what is a domain and hosting? Yes, what is a domain and hosting? Now, a domain name, often simply called a domain, is an easy to remember name that is associated with a physical IP address on the internet. It is a unique name. I told you the other time that your domain name must be a unique name that appears after @ sign-in email address and after www. in web addresses. Now, I know most of you have come across a email address that says info@domain.com. I don't know. There are some that has admin@domain.com, and there are a lot of email addresses like that. So this www, you know what it means now in web addresses. So let's just go on. As we proceed in this training, you're going to understand what I mean by domain and hosting. Now the next thing is what is an hosting? Hosting is store or other data on a server or other computer so that it can be accessed over internet. Don't worry, let's proceed. You will know more about hosting, what an hosting means. Now, this is a simple illustration of a domain and hosting. Now, this is a domain. We have different kind of domain. We have .in, domain.org, domain.edu.gov. We have a lot of different kind of domain. These are hosting. Now, let's move on. Now, this is just an example of a domain name. Yes, HTTPS, which is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, with this column here, /www.graciousconcept.com. This is just an example of a domain name. The abbreviations that you need to know the meaning: we have www, which is the World Wide Web. We have the HTTPS, which is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. We have the SSL, which is the security. Don't worry, I will explain what it means to you, which is the secure socket layout. Now, the next thing that I want you to understand is an hosting. What an hosting means. I've already shown you what a domain means. Yes. Now, this hosting, a domain, let me give an example. Assume we have a shop. The name of that shop is a domain. Yes, but all the things that is inside the shop, drawer that is inside that shop, is what we call hosting. Yes. It simply means if you have a domain name, you must get an hosting to store all your file, all your data inside. That is what it means. Yes, let's just proceed. You understand what I mean by domain and hosting. Now, why did I need a website for my brand or business? One, a website makes you look professional. Yes, it makes you look professional. Your website can attract new customers through Google. Yes, if you do a search engine optimization, your website can attract new customers through Google. You can clearly showcase your products and services. Yes, that is Jumia, Gigi, and all that. You can clearly showcase your products and services on e-commerce website. You can display your best reviews and testimonial prominently on your website. Yes, we display reviews and testimonials on website. A website can encourage customers to contact you. Yes, your website can encourage customers to contact you. You can integrate your website to Google Maps so people can find you more easily. You can integrate Google Maps on your website so that if they click on your contact page, you will be able to locate you through your Google Map. Your website establishes your place in your industry. Exactly, your website establishes your place in your industry. The next thing is a website ensures your success over the long time. Yes, it ensures your success over the long time. You can get all these benefits without spending a fortune. Yes, all you just need to do is to get a domain name and design your website. And if you don't know anything about your website, just give it to someone that can design a website for you. Now I want us to go to the practical aspect where I'll be showing you how to get a domain name and hosting. Let's go. Now here on Google, I'm on Chrome now. Now we have a lot of website that sells domain name and hosting. We have a lot of website that sells domain name and hosting. We have the Namecheap.com, we have the GoDaddy. We have a lot of websites, but for the purpose of this training, I'm going to use Namecheap.com. Now let's type Namecheap.com. This Namecheap.com is one of the best domain and hosting company. Yes, it's one of the best domain and hosting company. Now in this Namecheap.com, all you just need to do, make sure you register with them. Yes, make sure you register with them. I already have accounts with them. Yes, I already have accounts with them. All I just need to do is to log in to Yes, sign in. I already have an account with them. All I just need to sign in. Now I've already signed in. I have signed in. Now it will request for a security key. Yes, since I'm the one that set it there. Now I have successfully just click on domain. Now for the availability of the domain that I mentioned earlier, all you just need to do, if you want to know maybe the domain name that you guess is available, all you just need to do is to come here and search for that domain name. If it is available, it will show you that it is available. If it is not available, it will show you that it is not available. Now let me search for my own company domain name, which is GraciousConcepts.com. Search. You see it's going to tell us that this domain name is not available. It's going to cancel the domain name. You will see. Yes, let's wait. I'm going to cancel the domain name. As you can see, this domain name is not available. Yes, this domain name is not available. This domain name was registered in 2021. So this domain name is not available. This is how to check for the availability of your domain name. In case you guess for any domain name, you need to check for the availability of that domain name. Now since this domain name is not available, let me just type any kind of name here, just for the purpose of this training, so that we can proceed. Just type gracefulness. Yes. Okay, gracefulness.com. Let me see if gracefulness.com is available. It's available, but as you can see, it's premium. This one's I've already is available, but it's a premium this thing. If you have this kind of amount, you can get it. But let's gratefulness. See, then just any kind of domain so that we can just proceed with this training. Yes, as you can see, this one is available. Gracefulnesscd.com is available. All you just need to do is add to cart. Just click on add to cart. Just click on add to cart. You will now scroll down. I told you something about an SSL. Yes, an SSL is very important in our domain. An SSL is very important in our website. Without the help of the SSL, our website will not be secure. That is just the simple truth. Yes, the work of an SSL is the security. As you can see, site security made simple. Now, this is the SSL. As you can see, this padlock here, it means this website is secured. It's secured from hackers and that. So, without this SSL, your website will not be secured. So now, all I need to do is to add this SSL to this domain. Just click on this add here. Now, I've already added to cart. Now, the next thing we are going to do is, I don't need any other thing. The next thing that I'm going to do is go to our hosting. You go back and come to this hosting. Click on this hosting. Click on this hosting and come down. Scroll down. Yeah, scroll down where you have the featured hosting plan. We have the Stellar, we have the Stellar Business, we have the Easy WP Starter. Go for this. You can go for any of it. I'll go for this. I'll go for this first one, which is the Stellar. I'll click on Get Started. Yes, I'll click on Get Started. Now here, all you just need to do is to domain. Here. Yes, new purchase. Just search for that new domain. Click on Enter. As you can see, this is it here. All you just need to do is to click on it and scroll down. You now see connect to hosting. Yes, connect to hosting. Just click on connect to hosting. Automatically you have connect the domain and hosting together. All you just need to do is to click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. Now here I want you to make some settings here. Now here this thing is okay. It is not on auto renew, but on a normal day, if it is on auto renew, make sure you off it, because whenever you want to renew this domain, your client needs to pay before you renew it. So just click on don't auto renew this. Don't put on the auto renew. Scroll down. Yes, the rest is okay. All you just need to do is to confirm order. Just confirm order. Just confirm order. Now you will now log in. Yes, you now log in. You will log in. Yes, you log in. You log in. Yes, you just sign in. I have my this thing already. All I just need to do is to sign in. Yes, I have an account with Namecheap already. Just need to sign in. Right, so I need to enter my security key. I'm sorry that I'm entering the security key again. My system went off. So I just have to start again. Yes, I have successfully logged in. So it will now take me to my order. As you can see, you are on the order. Yes, you are on the order. You will scroll down. All you just need to do is to fill your payment method. As you can see, I'll fill my payment method, my MasterCard, as you can see, I'll fill my payment method. I fill the MasterCard number, the CCV, the expiry date, and everything. I fill it here. You now fill your information. There's some information they will ask: your name, your business name, your state, your phone number, your Gmail, all that. All you just need to do is to come here and click on I have read and agree to all Namecheap terms and service agreement. You now click on pay now. I'm not going to pay for this domain, but I just want to show you how to get a domain name and hosting. You now click on pay now. After you click on pay now, it will now redirect you to where to make a payment. Yes, it will redirect you. I'm going to cut this. Yes, as you can see, it will redirect you. Then people will ask you to enter they have already sent the code to my email address. They will ask you to enter it and you confirm order. How it looks, but just be rest assured that after few days, yes, after few days or few hours or 24 hours, Namecheap is going to send you the domain to your. It won't be up to 24 hours, few hours. Yes, Namecheap is going to send you your login details to your email address. Now, if you get that login details, Namecheap is going to give you your username for your username and password for your cPanel, which is the control panel. Now, if you want to log into your control panel after getting the username and password from Namecheap of a domain, now if you want to log into your control panel, all you just need to do is to type that domain name. Yes, type that domain name /cPanel. Like, let me type my own domain. I'll type Gracious Concept. As you can see, Gracious Concept /cPanel. All you just need to do is to click on enter. You type that your domain name /cPanel. Now it will now take you to your cPanel page. As you can see, this is the cPanel page. Now this username is what Namecheap is going to send to you, and the password. All you just need to do is to click on login. It will now redirect you to your cPanel. It will now redirect you to your cPanel. Now here is where you are going to start your website design. You are going to start your website design. If you want to create an email account, you want to create a forwarder and create a autorespondence. I hope you know what I mean by forwarder, autorespondence, and that an email account. These email accounts are the webmail that you normally see: info@domain.com and admin@domain.com. This is the email address, the forwarder, and the autorespondence. If some bank used to send you an autorespondence on every of your birthday, yes, what they did is autorespondence. I'm going to show you how to do that and posting. Follow the step and I'm very sure you will get a better result. Yes, this is going to be the end of this training. Please do well to watch the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like my posts. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my posts. I will see you in the next video.